Okay.
Okay. Got it. All right. For everybody who is here with me this wonderful morning, we got to miss Omri singing, but let's get into something more serious. Then we'll get to hear Omri singing later. Very importantly, I think there's not many people, so let's keep it casual. However, there are certain points that I will need to highlight to everyone that is very important. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. My name is Ethan Joseph, and I represent AGI as the marketing director. And of course, with all the information with AGI, with me, I'm able to share with every one of you here. And in hope, I can keep it simple, safe, and easy for you to understand what AGI is all about and how AGI is going to assist you in the world of investments, in the world of investing, and in the world where financial markets can prove to be very complicated. However, we simplify all the complications for you so that all you have to do is to invest, get your returns, and continue every single day. All right. Now, before I actually go into the details, I would just like to share the definition of trading. It refers to the act of buying and selling of goods, services, or financial instruments. In our case, we should be using the financial market to gain profits out of the financial markets. I think very importantly, most of us have experiences in the financial market. Most of the time, we have seen our friends, our family members, getting burned in the financial market. Why? Human emotions plays a big part. The next will be listening to friends, all right, following what they have been doing without knowing what it is at all. I think the key thing here is that in the world of investments, things change very fast. News comes in very fast. And of course, there will be technical analysis that is coming in to know when is a good time to enter the market and exit the market. That's where complication sets in, and that's where it makes investments a lot more difficult than it should be. We are here to simplify things. We are here to make investment a lot easier. Okay? And that's where AGI comes in to make things much simpler for you. I'm going to touch on the tools that we're going to use in investments. What are the so many tools that always traders, investors always talk about? We have stocks, currencies, indices, ETF, commodities, derivatives, mutual funds, options, futures, bonds, you name it. There are so many different kinds of instruments that we can utilize to take advantage and gain profits from the market. But as a layman investment or a layman trader or a layman investor, how then do we know what are the tools that we can make use of to help us gain the profits that we are looking out for? Is it difficult? I think it is. Based on my 15 years in the banking industry, I came to realize that there is no single tool that can give us a sure win formula. Okay? That's the key thing, that we are all here in this room to learn more on how we can make it simpler. Long hours spent each day, potential huge capital losses are things that is always associated with day-to-day traders. All right? They always feel that they can take advantage of the market, looking at all the technical charts, hearing all the news, but always failing to make that one particular trade that can give them a huge investment capital gain. So is trading difficult to achieve profits? I will believe everybody in this room will come to realize and agree with me for so many years, even right now as I'm speaking, right? Recession coming on board, interest rate maintaining high, inflation rate is going even higher, US Treasury, 30-year bond yield is at all-time high of 5.02. The US Treasury, coming in to say that they're going to maintain the rates to be even higher till end of the year. So much of the negative news coming in. Now, if you are a day-to-day trader, how then can you take advantage of the market? I know everybody will tell me that they're going to short the market, but which are the positions that you're going to short? You know, how nice if I'm going to ask everybody this question. If I can ask a genie, to help me trade and help me look for the best position to get into the market and extract the maximum profit. Now, which genie am I talking about? It will be AGI TradeGPT. All right. How is that possible? Let me share more of that with you. Are there new ways to trade? Definitely there is. Are there new ways to make sure that our risk management is being covered? Definitely. But before I go into that, let me share a little bit more on the past history for the last 50 years. You come to realize that every 10 years, there will always be a big economic boom. From the 80s, we have the Nasdaq bull run. The year 2000, we have the housing boom. All right. And 2010s, we have the cryptocurrencies bull run, where you can see multiple billionaires, are being mint every minute, and the amount is really monstrous, I would say, humongous. All right. We're not even talking about multi-millions. We are talking about multi-billions being created. Why? That's how economic boom came to help and save the economic world. In 2020s, I believe everybody has heard of artificial intelligence, but it comes with a huge range. There is program artificial intelligence, there is progressive learning artificial intelligence. And the thing that we are going to touch on today is about progressive learning language. Why is that important? I think it's very important. Progressive learning, it's where the system continuously learn, adapt, and maintain new information that is naked, or I would say blinded by human eye, where we are unable to see. And this is where I think everybody has heard of ChatGPT. That's the genie. If you're going to ask ChatGPT any questions, all right, it's definitely going to give you an answer. And in a very professional way, where it has helped everybody to get answers, even writing theses in universities, all right, undetected by professors, and helping students gain straight A's in their exams. And this is the power of ChatGPT. The next thing, the development of AI is as fundamental as the creation of microprocessors. It will change the way people work, and it will change entire industries. And this is not just said by me, it's said by the famous Bill Gates. And this is the era of artificial intelligence. Anybody want to take my photo? AGI Tech wants to take your photo. Okay. All right. So very importantly, if you can imagine how cryptocurrencies can make multi-billionaires, and with each economic boom, the amount is just going to get greater than the previous 10 years, right? Imagine in the world of cryptocurrencies, how much can be made. I want everybody in this room to think, how about the world of artificial intelligence? How much more money is going to be made? For the past 2 years, I think that's where the downturn of cryptocurrencies has arrived, but there is still a lot of money to be made in the world of artificial intelligence. This is the new era, this is the future, and you are at the forefront, all right, of this AGI intelligence, artificial intelligence economic boom, where we are mixing the world of investments into artificial intelligence, combining to bring forward to you a system where there is no any other platform can prove, unlike what we are doing. Can AI replicate and consistently make winning trades? We don't only replicate, all right? Through all these techniques, we create new techniques, all right, by combining all this to find a winning formula while maintaining risk management to ensure all trades are a winning trade. Through the live access of all the trades, once you are a member, you come to notice that we don't have many trades within a single day. Why? all the trades that we have done on a single day, went through all the techniques, all the formula, and all the risk management analysis before making that single trade. So you can rest assured that all trades that is made within AGI has undergone all these predictive modeling, risk management, arbitrage strategies. It has went through the entire analysis, techniques, and formula to ensure every trade is a safe bet and definitely a winning trade for you. Okay, live viewing, you can get your sponsor. Once you open an account, you'll be able to see all the trades that is being done on that given day. Okay, some of the markets that AGI trades in, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P, all these are famous big indices in the US. It's very big, and that's where we can take advantage because it's liquid. All right, we can enter and exit a position at any one time. We execute live trades, as I have mentioned to you. Now, I have explained to you before I go into the legality and the safety aspect of the company. I have went through with you what happens behind the scene, who we are, what we do, and now the very important part, how safe we are. You can see from this slide, we are incorporated in the United Kingdom. There is only one agenda that why we do that. United Kingdom, the place where all big companies incorporated themselves. Why do they want to be associated with United Kingdom? Reason being because of the capital of England. It has been for a century world-leading financial centers, home to many major financial institutions, well-defined regulatory framework for financial services as well. You can see there's FCA, there's PRA, all these regulatory entities maintaining the high standards, providing confidence to investors, and it has been ongoing for many, many years. All right, and that's the reason why AGI Technologies wanted to be associated with United Kingdom, solely because of the fact that it is home to many big multinational companies, and we will be like them. Okay, below is the contact details. All right, at any one time, if you have friends in the United Kingdom, drop them an email, give them a call. That's where we are incorporated. Okay, next, United States of America, the MSB license, the place where the license is issued by the US Treasury, the place where the safest place to be. Why? It's the US Treasury. Nothing safer than that. We went through a lot of hard work to get ourselves regulated and audited by them in order to be able to get an MSB license. And not just us, PayPal, Coinbase. I think this is the two companies that it might be very familiar with you. All right. They do have the MSB license as well. Handling money is a very sensitive topic, and we want to ensure all our investors that your money is in the safest hands because we undergone MSB regulatory requirements. Okay, so these are the two things, very important in terms of having United Kingdom, because we want to be positioned as one of the biggest MNC companies in the world. MSB license, we wanted to let you know that it's already the safest license that we can get because of the fact that it's from US Treasury. Okay, contact details are here. Feel free, drop them a call, give them an email, and our license are with them. Okay, so I have covered two aspects, the safe part and how your money is being invested part. Third, and the most important part, how is it going to benefit you? How can you take advantage of AGI Trade GPT to ensure that you are winning every day? Are there more ways to let you earn more money? Yes, there is. The easy part is that you just got to choose a plan, get yourself a plan that you wanted to determine the returns that you're looking at. All right, we have 3 plans. Basically, choose the returns that you're looking at. I'm going to share with you right now. Okay. Am I going too fast? Everybody is good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, that's good. Okay. All right. The important part, I think that's where everybody is waiting to see how things are. This is AGI broker income. Bear in mind, I'm going to keep it short. I'm going to have your fullest attention. We have 5 incomes, all right, that you can earn. Being an investor, that's the trading income that you can be looking at. However, the next 4 income is that when you are an associate of AGI, all right, that's where you continue to bring members in and you get rewarded for that. Okay. First, trading income, I will talk about that, but you must understand what's the different definitions of personal AUM, direct AUM, and team AUM. Personal AUM, keep it short, it refers to the money that you have in your trading wallet. Your sponsor who brought you in today can explain further to you. Direct AUM is your level 1 total funds in their trading wallet. And the team AUM, all right, is the entire team as you continue to grow, okay? And that's the entire team AUM funds in the trading wallet. We have basically 2 wallets, the USD wallet. Any funds in this USD wallet, you can withdraw immediately to your own personal wallet outside of AGI. For trading wallet, this is the part that you got to put the money in to start investing. All right. Trading income will go to your USD wallet. Probably I can use this as a better example. How the mechanism of AGI works like this. First, you transfer funds to the USD wallet. Okay, this wallet is where you can withdraw instantaneously. Okay, however, coming in, going out is immediate, but this is also the wallet to keep all your incomes. Okay, selection of the plan. We have 3 plans. Once you submit your selection, it goes to the trading wallet. Once it's in the trading wallet, it goes to your capital pool, which is under our AGI capital pool, where it's separated by the 3 plans. Okay, together with our liquidity providers, we will go to the market to invest. And on the next day, the profits will be coming in back to your USD wallet. Okay. If you are an associate of us, agency, AUM, and management income will go to your USD wallet as well. Okay, that is important for you to know. Withdrawal of funds from the trading wallet takes 24 hours. Why is that so? Because we need to withdraw from the capital pool. Okay. So this is a very simple explanation of the mechanism of AGI Trade GPT. What are the 3 plans that we have? Basic, Pro Max, and Pro. Okay, Basic give you a fixed income of 1% a day. Pro give you 1.5 to 2%. Why? Is on an incremental fixed income whereby your income increases on a monthly basis. And for Pro Max is 2 to 3.5. Likewise, it increases every single month. Okay. The minimum deposit is stated over here, 20, 200, or 1,000. However, the returns are different. This is the page where as an investor yourself, you choose the returns that you want. All right. There is no lock-in. You can make your withdrawals anytime within 24 hours from the trading wallet. All incomes go to your USD wallet, which you can withdraw immediately. Let me go straight to this. I think all this your sponsor might have told you. Now, this is the table. As I was saying, for Pro and Pro Max, it increases on month 2, month 3, month 4, month 6, and after a year. So just remember, for Pro and Pro Max, it increases month 2, month 3, month 4, month 6, and after a year. Okay, the fastest break even, Pro Max, 67 calendar days, you would have gotten back your capital and you can start investing based on just your returns and you can withdraw your capital out. All these are choices, okay? All these are choices that you create the life, you create the dream that you want. AGI is just a platform for you to realize your dreams, but everybody's dreams are different, okay? We keep it flexible for you to see how you want to achieve your dreams, how fast you want to achieve your dreams, and how soon you want to get it done, okay? Next, withdrawal income. This is for your level 1. is very simple. Any of your level 1 going to make a withdrawal, there will be a 5. I mean, everybody who make a withdrawal, there will be a 5% charge. All right. But if your level 1 makes a withdrawal, you will get 2% of that 5%, which means the company takes 3, you take 2, minimum is $5. Anything above $100 will be a percentage. Anything below $100, it will be at $5. So this page is very simple. Anytime you make a withdrawal, there will be a 5% charge. Okay. Next, AUM income. We are looking to grow. So if you wanted to and decided to be an associate of AGI, we will reward you. The first kind of recognition is through AUM income, because as you continue to bring your level 1 in with more AUM, all right, with more funds, okay, this is the table. For the first 5,000, AGI will reward you at 0.5%. This is based on your level 1. The next 5,000, we will reward you based on 1%. Thereafter, in multiples of 10,000 onwards, you will see that the percentage increased by 1 for every 10,000. Okay, to keep it simple, first 5,000 you get paid 0.5. The next 5,000 you get paid 1. Thereafter, every 10,000 you get paid 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, between 90,000 to 10,000, to 100,000, you get paid 10,000. Sorry, you get paid 10% for that $10,000. Okay, which is $1,000. All these are accumulative. Bear in mind, for AUM income, is tabulated weekly. All right, because during the week, you know, your members might withdraw, your members might fund in. So bear in mind, it will be tabulated on the midnight of Sunday. Okay, it will be calculated. If, an example, week 1, you brought in $10,000 from your level 1, you get paid $75. However, on a Monday, they decided to withdraw $5,000. Okay, and they bring back to 5,000 again. You won't get paid for this level. Okay, it's only on an incremental basis, and all this is tabulated and calculated by our system. So rest assured, all the AUM income will be tabulated for you as you continue to increase your level 1 AUM. Okay. Next, agency income. Bear in mind, for agency income, is calculated on a daily basis. You get rewarded, okay, for every level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 levels, a percentage of the entire level trading income. Okay, this is just an example. If you already accumulated 5 levels, you have completed your 5 levels, okay, of multiples of 3 for every level. Let's start with me. I'm going to get Yemi, Omri, and Will. So this 3 already is my level 1. I'm going to get Omri to find another 3 associates, Yemi to get another 3 associates, and Will to get another 3 associates. My level 2, now we have 9, right? As it continues into different levels, okay, I completed all my 5 levels. You can be looking at a daily income of $44.33 based on everybody starting with a pro plan. However, how does AGI make money? I will answer you that, okay? Next, if I'm on a Pro Max plan, okay, using the same effort of multiples of 3, my daily income will now be at $295. Imagine, apart from my trading income, which I'm getting daily, I'm also getting this $295 on a daily basis. Okay, that is accumulative. And the last one, management income. How does it work? Okay, you get to earn a percentage of your entire team trading income, not just 5 levels. As you continue to grow your team, it can go up to 6 levels, 7 levels, 8 levels, 9 levels, 10 levels. Okay, but you get to have a percentage, all right, depending on your rank, which these 3 criteria got to be met. All right, your own wallet got to have 200, your direct level is going to be 1,000. and your team is going to be at 5,000, you will be a 1-star rank leader. Okay, you get to have 1% of your entire team trading income. Okay, just something to take note. As your team continues to grow, if they are on the same rank as you, okay, you will receive 10% of that particular member management income. Okay, so if you're on the same rank, you receive a percentage of the management income instead of the team trading income. Okay, this is needed because there will be a same rank across all members. That's where you need to continue to grow. Okay. Another example, I don't use 1-star because I believe everybody is very powerful. I will use 3-star. What happens if you are a 3-star rank leader? Your daily income can reach as high as 4,006. Okay, if everybody is on a plan of 2,000 Pro Max. Okay, 5 members at each level, multiples of 5, 525, 125, 625, 3125. Now imagine if every level is completed, you have 4,006. All right, you have another agency income, which will be more than this, and together with trading income. And this is how fast, all right, you can be, okay, to become a millionaire. Why? On a 30-day basis, you already have 140,000 if you are able to get everybody to be on a Pro Max at $2,000 minimum deposit. 6 months later, how much you'll be getting. 1 year later, how much you'll be getting. All these are very clear and tabulated for you to see. And that's where I have mentioned to everybody, this is the platform for you to realize your dreams. This is the platform to see and choose how you want to achieve your goals. Okay? I will come back to this again. Just bear in mind, we have 5 income. If you choose to be just an investor, you have your trading income. No issues with that. However, if you want to, be an associate of AGI, that's where AUM, withdrawal, withdrawal, I mean, it's secondary because it really depends on whether your investors want to withdraw. But AUM, agency, and management income, you decide how much you want to earn as we progressively expand your team and get your members to come in. And that's where the variables comes in and actually assist you on top of your trading income to continue to grow your money and to continue let you earn what kind of income you're going to look for. We have the capability and the platform for you to grow and see how fast you're going to earn the next million. Okay? Before I open up for more questions, how AGI earns money? As I've mentioned, we have our artificial intelligence system where we use ETF, all right? Together, it can be Forex, where we go to the market to make the trades. And as I mentioned in my previous slides, all the trades are for you to see, and we have always earned more than what we have been given to our investors. If you do notice, right, our payout are fixed, okay? But we have weekly reports to show you. For example, just last week, we have accumulated returns. If you're going to go on Pro Max, we have been earning about 17% a week. But if you're on a Pro Max plan, okay, the most you can get on a week is a fix, which is about 10%. The remaining, apart from factoring in all the agency and management income, the rest of the profits goes back to the company. And this is how we consistently earn our money on a daily basis. It can be from ETF, it can be from Forex. All right, these are the 2 main tools that we use to generate our profits. Okay, we use the funds together with margins, and that's how we earn our profits. What exchange is used to make these trades? When you're talking about exchange, are we talking about foreign exchange or what kind of exchange? We go straight to the market, all right? We can use NASDAQ. If you take a look at our website, you came to notice that we have a number of ETF. So we just don't trade through S&P, NASDAQ. We go to the Middle East, we go to Asia, we trade in commodities ETF. All right, so there are many exchanges. Just a few that I have listed, NASDAQ, S&P, because all these are more famous. We do go into Middle Eastern. It is not limited. It really depends on what AGI Trade GPT is telling us to go to which market. Okay? You said we can follow the trade. No, We don't do any practice trade, okay? We don't have any copy trades. You invest, AGI will invest the money for you. You said we can follow the trade. No, I think you got me wrong. Is that when you open an account with us, you are able to see the trades that AGI Trade GPT does. Okay. So I hope I answer, Stefan, the two questions that you have been asking. You can see the trades. Yes. Once you open an account, you are able to see the trades. Okay. And how does it look like? Let me just share it with you. There's not many of us, so I will just hop around, okay? If I'm going too fast or anything, just slow me down. Okay, this is how once you log in, okay, you go straight to the button. I think your sponsor will tell you. This is the trading history that I was sharing with everybody and all members. For example, we can go both position. We can long the market, we can short the market. What do we mean by short the market is sell? Is that we are going to a sell trade first, okay? So these are all the ETF that we can go, crypto ETF, tech ETF, you know, on the daily trades. These are our profits, and this is what we have been returning to our users, okay? So you can see sometimes we have 3 trades, sometimes we have 4 trades. As I was explaining to everybody, we are not limited, but however, every trade went through all the techniques, all right, that the system needs to undergo in order to ensure that it's a winning trade, okay? So this page, you'll be able to see depending on the plans that you are on. I'm showing you based on Pro Max, because for Pro Max, you are able to trade in all range from ETF to commodities to FX, all right? Let me see what are. These are all the trades that we are able to go in. It can be in Forex, it can be in ETF, it can be in indices. All right, we are not limited by any of the trades. Okay, it all depends on AGI Trade GPT seeing where are the markets that we can take advantage of. Okay, and this is the clear difference of what we meant by progressive learning language. We are not limited by human, whereby it is restricted by the markets they can invest. It is restricted by what it can do. No, we tell the system that the results that we want, the system scour the market to find the best trade. Okay, and this is where progressive learning comes in, and it's very important. And this is the future that I'm sharing with all my members since we started. Okay, I hope I have explained to you, Stefan. How is the presentation? Everybody's good? Omri, you okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. I don't know if there's any other question, guys. I think this is a very promising long term. Of course, we try to be very simple, and we just went through the basics. I would say just to make the presentation, more simple and palatable, if you will. So we can know where they come from, what they do exactly, and what are the profits, and also, the amazing and very aggressive career plan if you want. If you wanna build a network, this is amazing. I started with them, if I can share my experience with you guys, like in August, I believe, mid-August, and I'm super happy, man. I'm super happy. They don't lock your capital, guys. Let me give you an example. The other day, there was a guy from South America, I can't remember which country from, and the guy, he put first $1,000, and then in a couple of weeks, he wanted to just put in a little bit more, and he deposited 7,000, and he had an emergency. So things happen, life happens. And all he needed to wait for the 24 hours, as Ethan explained in the beginning, and you can have that. That is our biggest concern. That's one of our biggest concern. Will they do with the capital? And let alone to mention about the withdrawals are instant, guys. I've experienced. I have many withdrawals. There's people here earnings 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 7,000 is for real, guys. Whether you withdraw 20,000, whether you withdraw 7,000, it is instant. Can you elaborate a little bit about the stress test, about having a super, when the company grows and we have multiple, huge withdrawals?
Okay, constantly, our backend engineers are always testing for, I would say, I think some of you might have heard black swan events. What do we mean by black swan events? Is that where things go very down south. So in our case, our black swan event is where everybody in the worst case scenario, I would say like probably a war event. All right, that's what we use in the financial terms. In a war event where everybody withdraws their money at the same time, can the system continue to grow? Remember, we started our own money to start the fund. Okay, so if there was a massive withdrawal for all members at the same time, we can continue to grow because we do have our funds to continue to invest. Okay, that's the stress test we're going to go. I think previously there have people been asking, so what's going to happen? I mean, if you're going to withdraw at the same time, then by all means, we can still continue to grow. The reason why, okay, we wanted more members. Okay, the objective is to grow AGI. The reason why we wanted to be a United Kingdom is wanted to grow big. All right, there are big fund managers. You heard of it like Blackstone, BlackRock, Schroders. All these are big companies we're going to compete. So we need more members, okay? But for our fund itself, we are constantly doing stress tests. We can handle massive withdrawals. We can handle, market were to stop, no problem, because we are not restricted by any single market. So all these are the numerous different scenarios we input into our system to ensure that the engine keeps running, okay? It can be a war event. It can be US market close. We have Middle East. We have Southeast Asia. If FX is going to close, very unlikely. FX is one of the biggest markets in the world. So even if we talk about the black swan, all right, let's use the worst case. USD is going to stop, all right? If USD stops, I think all market stops, okay? So that's maybe a bit more exaggerated. Probably like pound, Swiss, or what else? Euro, if they're going to do a stop trading, all right, we can always fall back to the USD. We have cryptos, okay? We have crypto ETF as well. So we have different permutations to ensure that the market continues to keep rolling and we can continue to earn a profit out of it. And a very clear classic example that I've shown you earlier, you have seen that we did short the market. Why? You can see that the market, every single market is coming down. And that's where we short the market to earn a profit out of it. We are going in the inverse direction. We are no longer buying, we are shorting, we are selling. Okay, so these are two techniques that other platforms might not be able to do. Okay, we continuously show our clients that we can go both ways to take advantage of the market. Okay, is that too technical? Good.
Yeah, thank you so much. So basically, we're talking about safety of your funds. We're talking about transparency. We're talking about you can follow our trades, not copy trade, but you can just go and see exactly what we are doing, what the company is doing. Actually, I'm not a trader myself. I'm just
No, you don't even need to do copy trade. Copy trade is a thing of the past. There isn't anything that we need you to do. You just got to put the money to invest. Let AI trade for you. Why? AI is without feelings. AI covers all market instantly. Okay? So it's even safer than any of the past techniques that you have heard from. Okay?
So, Ethan, do you think this is a shortcut to earn faster? Let's say, for example, previously, you have the basic manual trading and some other technology. So what I was thinking this morning, is it something like we have the advantage to have the AI to accelerate,
Exactly.
right?
Exactly.
Okay.
And you are even using a faster technique, safer technique. You don't have to even be in the market. Why? AI is we call it Trade GPT. Trade GPT is in the market covering all angles for you. Okay? You can rest easy. You can sleep at night knowing that the returns are coming to you every single day. The system is working for you. And this is the future of investing. Okay.
Yes.
And this is the future of investing, whereby no longer you have to activate bots, no longer you have to be in the market to copy trade. Copy trade doesn't exactly tell you when to exit, right? There is always a time. They give you a certain time frame. Okay, we don't even need that. Okay, we are very specific. We let AI know when to enter and exit the market. Leave it to AI. All right, it's progressively learning. It's even simpler than any other techniques that you have known. Okay, there's no Fibonacci, there is no candlesticks, nothing. Okay, put the money there, let it grow. You can see it yourself. All the trades are live for you to see. Okay, of what we have done. Okay.
Thank you so much, Ethan. Always so thorough and precise your answers as usual. Thank you. So, can you tell a little bit about your background? Just 2-3 minutes background. Tell me about
All
yourself.
right, I come from Australia. Okay, that's one thing. I come from Australia. So the previous bank that I worked with, Commonwealth ANZ. Okay, I'm a commodities trader. Okay, so that's where I am able to be a bit more technical to tell you what are the trades that we have employed for the past 15 years. Okay, we need to know market sentiments right now. Even right now, as we are saying, everybody will be asking how the oil price is going to be, right? Apart from looking at the technical analysis, okay, we have to see whether the Middle East is actually closing the tap on oil production. Okay, that's how we combine to see whether we need to go into a forwards contract. That's whether we need to go into a 2 months, 3 months contract to lock in the prices now, if we know that the war is going to prolong. Remember, initially at the past, when Russia and Ukraine are starting the war, right, it's already 1 year plus. There are fears on commodities going up, but no, US came in and helped. So that really didn't impact the prices. So as a commodity trader, there are so much data in the past 15 years where, I was in the bank, you trade for the bank, I'm a prop trader. So that's where you have to gather all this data, and your P&L is your profit and loss is actually on a daily basis, where you can get sacked at any one day, right? So I mean this Israel Hamas bombing was very sudden. So for us traders, if we have a lot of open position, right? If I did gather a lot of contracts for oil, all right, and the oil price did really went up, then I will have make substantial profits, right? But however, if my focus is not on oil at that time, then I'll have missed the boat. All right. So all these are things that is very sudden, okay, that keep you on your toes as a trader. And I mean, without system, right? Last time you used to trade based on charts and all this, right? And you have to make, a trader always like to say, the gut feel, right? Okay. If the gut feel fails you, then you're off. Mercha is there historical data, something showing all right. Yes, from once you open an account, the account is free. You don't have to trade, but you are able to see all the trades since we started operations in July to now. You are able to see all the trades that we have been doing. So Mercha, if I actually get your name right, all you have to do is just to open an account, get your sponsor ID. You don't have to put in any money. Opening an account is free. You are able to see the trades all the way from July to now. Okay. I got you. Yeah, great. Good. Thank you. So only invest where you have done your due diligence. Only invest. I mean, these are words I always have to say. Only invest that once you have done your due diligence, you are very comfortable. You have seen, I mean, you can check with Omri how long he has been receiving his income. Do your own checks. I mean, I come from the bank. DYDD, they always like to say, do your due diligence. Okay. This, yeah, DYDD, right, is a common trait that you use in the bank. Okay. Do your due diligence. See whether the system works for you. But if you're going to make a comparison with all other platforms, I think we can say that we are one of the most open. Okay. We can say that we have consistently proved to be transparent. All right. We get the necessary regulatory license. They got me to join them is because I know how the bank works, and I know how the banks actually get all the necessary requirements if they want to make any of the selling of mutual funds or ETF or anything that you can name off, shares and all this, right? What are the ways to get a license, what are the licenses that are important? Okay, so that's where we gel. And that's where I'm able to communicate to all of you, because I have spoken to institutional investors, I have spoken to retail investors. I know what are their concerns and what are the requirements that is needed to engage in these kind of platforms. So this is my background. And this is where I think, Omri, you have heard me talking so many times, 5 days a week. If you're going to multiply by 3 months, I think that's how many times you have heard me talking. So yes, these are the things that I can share with all of you here. And yes, so I hope I thank you all for giving me the time, but I do hope that there is some takeaway today, that I'm able to share with you the future of investing, how investment should be done. It should be that simple. And that's where we invest the funds for you while you achieve your goals and your dreams. It can be a car, it can be buying a new house, I don't know, it can be anything, getting a new farm. All right, so whatever the case is, money talks, and that's where money got to be invested in the correct manner to ensure that we constantly continue to grow. Okay, that's what I'm going to share today.